Let's make pappardelle by hand, no machines. Welcome to another episode of Alright, let's get started. I'm excited to share this recipe with you because it simplifies everything. I hate when you watch a cooking video and the first step in the recipe is to break out your $800 stand mixer equipped with your $200 pasta attachment. It's bullshit, you don't need it to make amazing pasta. I'm making 2 portions, so 2 handfuls of 00 flour, 2 eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and kosher salt, and bring together. As you whisk the egg mixture, scrape the interior wall of your flour well every so often to gradually incorporate the flour into the egg mixture until it looks something like this. Now this is where you get your hands dirty, start to bring together until it forms a shaggy ball of dough, and then knead the hell out of it for 10 minutes. This is literally the only exercise I get these days. You can tell if it's done when you push a finger into it. Notice here it stays inside. That means it's not done. You want it to slowly spring back. Just like this. Then wrap in plastic wrap and let rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Now comes the fun part. Generously flour your work surface, place down your dough, and flour your hands and rolling pin. Next, flatten out your dough with your hands into a little circle, and then roll out at 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 2 o'clock. Rotate the dough and repeat. If you want to learn more about this method, I highly recommend Chef Evan Funke's book, American Sfoglino. I'll add info for that book in the description. And congratulations, you have your very own sfoglia. Fold her up and then add her to a cutting board and then slice into a giant rectangle. Fold her back up, and then using a chef's knife you can start slicing your pappardelles. Now admittedly, pappardelles are usually a little wider than this. This is kind of a hybrid between a tagliatelle and a pappardelle, but I don't care. This is literally one of the best things I've ever made, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Unfold each ribbon and make a little nest. It's whimsical and adorable. Look at you, doing cute. Now for our sauce, we're gonna combine 1 egg yolk, extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, and crushed red pepper. And then to me, the most important ingredient, lemon zest. Grate parm until your microplane bites you. Ow. And then add Parmesan cheese's best friend, which is black pepper. Boil your pasta for about 2 to 3 minutes. Fresh pasta always cooks much faster. Add extra virgin olive oil and your pasta to a pan on medium heat. Temper your egg mixture with hot pasta water because you aren't trying to make scrambled eggs. And then vigorously mix until a sauce is formed. And now it's time to plate it up. I did make 2 portions, but I ended up putting it as 1 giant portion because, well, I have no dignity or self-respect. And look at this. I mean, come on. Garnish with more Parmigiano Reggiano and parsley. And then finish with some high-quality extra virgin olive oil. And look at this. I mean, I will say this might be the best thing I have ever made in my entire life. It was that good. I mean, yeah. You know what? I think I'm gonna need some privacy. You guys have fun. Thanks for watching. See you next week.